Hello, my friends. I Kamal over here. I'm going to tell you about the art of conducting a fixed meeting from Chanakya Based Sutras. So, as it is, we should declare without loss of time what is in it the king's interested. Meeting. Meeting should lead to decisions, not roundabout discussion. As you climb the ladder, meeting may become a permanent yet unavoidable features of your routine. Therefore, it is important to always bear in mind that they are a double-edged sword. They are either a waste of your time or a powerful tool to make solid decisions that positively impact the business. So, how to do conduct effective meetings? Number 1, have an agenda. Remember that meetings can be a big drain on time spent actually doing things without an agenda. They can be quite akin to wandering in the forest without no clear path. You are bound to lose your way. The best meeting consider and respect the time of all the parties involved in them. Therefore, prepare an agenda before calling a meeting. Then communicate this agenda with your team so they can arrive prepared. Number 2, start and end of time. Have you ever found yourself waiting in the meeting room for someone to show up? Frustrating, isn't it? To avoid such situation, enforce strict starts and end times for the meeting. Many tends are overlooked and later, but it is equally vital. Unless you know where the meeting must end, the conversation will follow to lose structure and accomplish very little. Number 3, come to the point ASAP. Tim Cook and CEO of the Apple said, the longer the meeting is, the less accomplished once the meeting has begun, avoiding taking in circles the quickly to get the appointment. This ties strongly into the previous point. If you know the agenda, you are empowered to address it. Also, don't spend too much time discussing the situation. Understand it, but create an action plan. There should always be something for you to do after the meeting concludes, otherwise, little has been